beautiful morning. Hello, people. I'm about a mile and a half in the Appalachian Trail. Gonna be doing at least 12 plus miles today. And we will be doing an overnight in Pochuck Mtn State Park, I think it's called. And it's right near here, only about 12-13 miles away. I didn't even know it existed. So we're going to check it out. Just want you guys to see this view up here. This is pretty awesome. I usually come here doing day hikes, set up my hammock, camp out right on the lake there. Or pond or whatever it is. And I will be testing out some new gear, which I have not taken into the backwoods yet. And so far, I'm really digging these trekking poles, even though I'm not using them right now to hold this camera. But they help you move along pretty damn quick. Hail the day. Back in with you guys later. I just came down from up there. way up there. Yes. Now I'm down here. In this cool little meadow. Onward I march. I have been seeing snakes all day. I think that's a good thing. Yes. There's campsites all over this lake or pond. This would be a cool place to come back to with a bunch of people. Just came out of the tree line, just came up here to see what was going on. This big patch of green on the GPS. It appears to be old farmland. Pretty cool. But I'm going back down into the woods and set up camp. Been bushwhacking for a while. Veered off the trail a bit. I like to do that. Sense of adventure, right? See you guys later. Oh, what's that? That's home sweet home for tonight. I gotta make some dinner and relax. I earned it. Oh, it's starting to rain. Good timing. Talk to you later. Good morning, fuckers. We're ready to break down camp. It's 6 a.m. It got cold as fuck last night. Got down to about 45 degrees. My underquilt was fine. My top quilt is not rated for that cold. I need to get a warmer top quilt, I think. So, Hiking Viking signing out. Out these woods all to myself. I'm gonna hate to leave them. I'm on my way out. I'm following something of an old path, or who knows. This is just too awesome though.